DJM TV.
We call them the National Security Council. At the head, Mr. President, elected a Northerner. Next, Chief of Staff, Ibrahim Gambari, brilliant people, a Northerner. Next, National Security Advisor, Monguno, a Northerner. Next, Minister of Defense, Magashi, a Northerner. Next, the Chief of Defense Staff, Erabo, a Southerner. Chief of Army Staff, Atahiru, a Northerner. Chief of Navy Staff, Gambo, a Northerner. Chief of Air Staff, Amao, a Southerner. The DSS Director General, a Northerner. DG National Intelligence Agency, a Northerner. So your National Security Council, 11. We have 9 Northerners, 2 Southerners. Look, I'm telling you as a practitioner, a former governor of the state, a general, I'm 70 years old. When you go to such meeting, those 2 Southerners, they are just there as onlookers. They are there as onlookers. What do they want to say when the Northern Bloc has 9? And you say Southern Bloc has 2. What has it got to say? Is there as an onlooker? It must be correct. That's what I said, that, look, the soldier must believe in the war. Who is going to believe in the outcome of such security meetings? And you say it is national. Yeah. You say it is national. No. That is, when it goes down, that's why you have the Fulani and the Artsmen clashes, killings, kidnapping. Because the people downstairs, they are looking at the upstairs that, look, I'm favored. So please, let the federal government correct inequalities. If you put inequalities to a stop, look, if you put, the Attorney General just said rule of law and equal rights, beyond the law. Look, everything takes its position. You have peace. You have the economy will be developing. Everybody will be generating his own employment. So that is my advice. So squarely, we must tell Mr. President, he's an elected leader. The buck stops at his table.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.